Hello, friends.
Today we are learning about the alternatives of hello. So we are going to learn. You are ready? Okay. The first alternatives of hello. So we can say as good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, when it is the time to say. Okay, so it is the one of the most formal way to say. Okay, we can use it as official place. Okay, and when we are meeting to meet to any most of the personalities, so we can use it. Understand? Let's go to the next. We have other formal way to say. Okay, it is slightly informal or informal. Okay, but in the Britain, okay, in the USA, it is takes as a formal way to say hello. Okay, so pleased to meet you, and you can add your friend name. Let's move forward to the next. It is also formal way to say hello. It's nice to meet you. Okay, so it is slightly more casual but still suitable for professionals and formal settings. Okay, so you can use if you want. Okay, so next. So here we have formal way to say it's good to see you. It is also same as that of which we have discussed previously. Okay, so it is also we can use at the place of professional and formal settings. Okay, let's go to the next. How are you? It is not defined as it is formal or informal. Okay, it is we can consider as a formal way. Okay, we can use it as a professionals and official sites, and like when we are discussing about any business person and like this. Okay, so we can use it. We have casual way. Okay, it is more casual. Okay, it is the casual way to say hello. Okay, we can use it as a friend circle when we are meeting to a friend, so or any friend circle. Okay, any college friend, school friend, and any child friend, like childhood friend, so we can use it. Okay, let's go to forward. So now we have informal way, WhatsApp. Yeah, this is also we can use in the friend circle, and yeah, only friend circle, and in sister if it is casual to you, otherwise no. And also with like younger brothers and sisters, we can use it, WhatsApp. Okay, let's move forward. Here we have also informal way to say hello, what's new. Like we are not meet to our friend. Okay, so we are not meet to like of a friend for long time. Okay, so when we meet them, so we can use what's new, how are you in these days. Okay, no phone calls, no message, so we can use it, what's new. Okay, that that our friend will tell us what's new, what is going on in his life, like this. Okay, so move forward to the next. Now we have these four informal ways like hey, long time no see, and hey, what's going on, hey, how's everything, and sub champ, sub champ, like this. Okay, so it is casual way to say. We can use in the friend circle, our childhood friend, or any. younger brother, younger sister. Okay, so we can use. And who is like more close to you, then also you can use it, like not more than your age. That person will not be above your age. Okay, so you can use it. Let's go to next. Goodbye friends, and thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more this type of videos. Okay, so goodbye.